Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So girls, our wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dishcloth ideas. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. It's a beautiful ideas for housewife, kitchen ideas. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish and made knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing ideas, different variety, different colors. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful pattern. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, and beautiful granny square ideas, most demanding collection, beautiful kitchen ideas. Hopefully like this. So viewers, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dishcloth. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye.